Mnemonics of Agaricus Muscarius. First letter is A. A stands for aching, sore, pain. Okay, A stands for aching, sore, pain in lumbosacral region. In lumbar and sacral region. Next is G. For great sensitiveness, again A is for ailments from. So in Agaricus, the ailments from are sexual access, debauch, suppressed emotions, and indolent circulation. Okay, so next letter is R. R stands for redness, burning, itching of various parts. So in Agaricus, we all know that Agaricus is a very good remedy for children. So in Agaricus, there is redness, burning, itching of various parts like face, nose, ears, hand, foot, etc. So redness, burning, itching of various parts. Okay, you can also write like face, eyes, nose, hands, foot, etc. Next letter is I. I stand for intolerable, bearing down, pain, and post-climatic period. Bearing down pain in post-climatic period. Other remedies with intolerable bearing down pain: Natcar, Murex, sepia. Okay, and now Agaricus also. Next letter is C. C stands for complaints appear diagonally, complaints appear diagonally. Okay, upper left and lower right. So in Agaricus, upper left body and lower right side is affected. Now you have to answer which all remedy have diagonally appearing complaints of upper left and lower right side, and which remedy have opposite, that is upper right and lower left side. Okay, so this is a question for you. You can answer in the comment box. Next we see U. U stands for uncertainty in walking. Stumbling gait. Okay, uncertainty in walking, stumbling, gait. So next letter is S. S stands for spine, sensitive to touch. Or spinal irritation due to sexual access. Also, there is one more symptom you can remember from S word. All these symptoms are from spine only. So spinal affections of spinal affection causing headache, in those who readily become delirious and fever. Okay, or in person subjected to Korean twitching. Okay, so let's revise Agaricus. It's not yet completed. So Agaricus, A stands for aching sore pain in lumbosacral region. G is for great sensitiveness of entire body. A is for ailment strong. Ailment strong were sexual access, debauch, suppressed emotion, indolent circulation. Next is R. R stands for redness, burning, itching parts of various parts. Then come I, intolerable bearing down pain in post-climatic period. Next C stands for complaints appear diagonally, that is upper left and lower right side. Okay, and there was a question for you, which all remedy have upper left and lower right side complaint, and which have upper right side and lower left side complaint. Next, U stands for uncertainty in walking and stuff due to stumbling gait. S is for spinal affection causing headache in those who readily become delirious in fever or in persons subjected to Korean twitching, or spine sensitive to touch and spinal irritation due to sexual access. Next, C, Muscarius. So M stands for motion. So motion aggravates. you can explain this symptom. Every turn of body causes pain in vertebra. Okay. U. U is again for upper left and lower right side complaint. S. S stands for sensitive to cold air. Also, S stands for single vertebra, sensitive to touch. Okay, so each vertebra or any single vertebra is sensitive to touch. C stands for chilblains. That itch. And burn intolerable. Okay, or you can also write frostbite also. So chilblain and frostbite, that itch and burn intolerable. Next, A aggravation. So aggravation after eating, after coitus, after prolonged study, and mental exertion. Next letter in Muscarius is R. R stands for ravenous appetite. And burning thirst. So, burning thirst. Next is I. I stands for involuntary movements. Okay. Involuntary movements while awake, ceases during sleep. So this particular symptom is a feature of chorea. So chorea is a movement disorder, okay, in which we see involuntary movements, and those movements often ceases during sleep. So involuntary movements while awake, ceases during sleep. Next, you can further explain it to add more points. So chorea from simple motion chorea from simple motion to dancing of whole body. Simple motion and jerk of simple muscles. This is jerk of single muscle. And dancing of whole body. Next letter is U. So U is for urine. These particular symptoms you will find in boric. So urine is yellow, lemon color, and feels cold on passing. Okay. Last, S. S stands for sensation as if eyes touched or ice cold needles were piercing the skin as from hot needles. So in agaricus there is sensation of both. Either the skin feels as if touched by ice or by hot needles. Okay, so these were the mnemonics for Agaricus Muscarius. Agaricus is basically a fungi, and the temperament of the patient is nervous. And talking about therapeutic point of view, Agaricus is a very good remedy for chorea, chilblains, frostbite. Okay, so let's revise quickly. Agaricus Muscarius. A stands for aching sore pain in lumbosacral region. G stands for great sensitiveness of entire body. A for ailments from sexual access, debauch, suppressed eruption, indolent circulation. R is for redness, burning, and itching of various parts. I intolerable wearing down pain in the post-climatic period. C complaints appear diagonally upper left and lower right side. U. Uncertainty in walking, stumbling gait. S. Spine sensitive to touch, spinal affection causing headache in those who readily become delirious in fever, spinal irritation due to sexual actions. M. Motion aggravate every turn of the body causes pain in vertebra. U. Upper left and lower right side complaints. S. Sensitive to cold air, single vertebra sensitive to touch. C. Chilblains that itch and burn intolerably. A. Aggravation after eating, after coitus, after prolonged study and mental exertion. R. Ravenous appetite and burning thirst. I. Involuntary movements while awake, seizures during sleep. U. Okay, and those movements can be of a single muscle to dancing of the whole body. U stands for urine, yellow, lemon color, and feels cold on passing. S sensation as if touched or ice cold needles were piercing the skin as from hot needles. So like, comment, and share. If this video was helpful to you in any means, do like, comment, and share. And if not, you can also unlike to get us some feedback. Okay, thank you so much.